Nice. Sure to look around. Okay, this is where I'm going to sleep tonight. It's a nice little place. Just beneath this crazy tree. Let's see. This is some kind of fur. Exactly. Nice meal tonight. And like I said, it's the only dry spot I've found around it. Quite steep around here. Now I'll enjoy the fire. Enjoy the fire and get some food in me. Some berries and stuff. Oh, look at what I found. I'll work on those as well. While my shoes and socks are drying, although it keeps dripping in here, the wind picked up a little. I'll show you what I found. Take a look at these. Amazing. And a white feather. It's kind of big. Amazing. Nice pattern. I'd say it's gross. Lovely. It's still raining, but I'm quite lucky with this tree here. Wow. Thanks that I've been able to find this nice spot. Okay, what I wanted to show you. I found feathers of two of my favorite birds, or bird species. This feather was quite wet before. It dried out now, and I was combing it. This is, wow, unbelievable great. This bird is quite silent in the night. And from the looks of it and from the touch of the feather, I think it's from an arm feather. One of the first ones. Here's the other feather. Quite small. I think this is a hand wing. Let's see. This pattern is just amazing. Let's see if we can. Really great. Yeah, those two feathers are really amazing. See the band? Typical for this kind of birds. As well, I've been working on some bone knives. It's still not finished. I only have this rock here to work with and to sand it down. The other rocks around here are quite slick. They're not gripping enough of the material. So I've been working away. Oh, what else did I found? I found quite a lot of pitch. Really great stuff. And a lot of it. That was amazing. Really great find. Pretty shiny one. Nice. Alright. Let the fire burn down. Hunker down to sleep.